Hey guys, how is it going? What's up? What is happening? How are you doing today on this fine day of the Saturday? Today's a new day, a new adventure, and we're gonna do this. So the plans for today is to go on a sunset hike up Lion's Head. I know I went there a few weeks ago for sunrise, and I want to bring different content to you, but my friend Warren Hayden, who I've met through Instagram and YouTube as well, I'm gonna go a bit earlier to try and get a few time lapses on Signal Hill as well, so that should be good. I've arrived at Lion's Head, and every time I come here I just realize why this is my favorite place in Cape Town. It is just the most perfect day today. There's no wind, it's clear skies, it's 30 degrees. This is Cape Town for you in April. I think it's safe to say that I have the best seat in the house. So like I said that I wanted to come up here to do a few time lapses early, but there's no clouds in the sky, there's no movement happening, so I'm just chilling here on the side of Lion's Head, sitting in nature, listening to the sounds of Cape Town. Camps Bay Beach is packed. Well, it is the perfect day for Camps Bay Beach, to be honest. I could do with being on the beach right now. So I also just want to quickly apologize for there not being a video last week Sunday. Sometimes life just gets in the way and other plans have to prioritize the weekend venture, unfortunately. I wish that I could just focus on this and do this every single day if I could. I'd love to travel the world and just make videos every day. That would be so awesome. But anyway, yeah, sometimes life gets in the way and I can't do this every weekend, which is unfortunate. But I'm trying my best to get the content out there. I want to try something cool. Wait for this. I don't know what that was, it was just fun. So that's what you do when you get bored on Lion's Head. Anyway, heading down now to go meet up with Warren at the bottom, and then we should be heading up soon again. So I've got double exercise today. So we've made it on top of Lion's Head now, and I haven't introduced my friend Warren yet. He's standing over here.
Guys?
He is the king of South African YouTube, besides Casper Lee.
How good is this hike though?
This is amazing. How amazing is this weather? And it's like 30 degrees today. It's just perfect.
Agreed.
Perfect
I
day.
think it's time to take some photos.
Let's go take some photos.
Yeah.
So we're heading down now just before it gets dark, and the city is still amazing. I like the way.
You like the way? Yes sir.
So I just got down from the hike now, and I don't know if you can see this, but there's a massive fire going on in town right now. It looks like a building is on fire, I'm not even lying. Okay, we'll drive past there and see what's happening. So driving through town now, and all I can smell is smoke. It's like this thick black smoke, and I would really like to know what is happening right now. I'm trying my best to see where the smoke is coming from. It looked like the middle of town from when I was up on Lion's Head, but I can't really see anything now with the black sky and the black smoke, obviously. Hope it's gonna be okay though. And there's just ambulances and police cars and fire trucks everywhere here at the moment, so I really hope everything's gonna be okay. I don't know what happened, but we'll have to wait to see in the news tomorrow. Hope it's not too bad. And so that concludes another day of the weekend venture. It was great to finally meet Warren in person. If you haven't heard of him yet, where have you been? He's the awesome South African YouTuber, so please go check him out. I'll leave all his links in the description. Anyway, I just want to thank you guys again for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like. And if you're new around here, hit the subscribe button for new videos every weekend. I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye.